Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing very well. This is Purnima Bahuguna from Priyanya's Health Mantra, and I decided to record this quick video for helping you all understand that how you can protect yourself from these pollution woes. As in NCR, pollution issue is very much prevalent these days, and the moment you come out in the mornings primarily and in the evenings, it's like your nose is burning. You get burning sensation in your nose, you get watery eyes, you get burning sensation in your eyes. So what all you can do to protect yourself? Couple of things. I would begin with diet first of all. So in diet you need to add lot of you need to add spices like cinnamon, you need to add black pepper, and you need to add jaggery to your regime. So in the morning, in fact, all of us we should drink concoction in the morning. That concoction would have all the spices in your kitchen. So you would take, so for a single person you would take 1.5 glass of water. You would add 1 tablespoon dhania, sabut dhania, which is coriander seeds, to it, and you would add half teaspoon cumin seeds to it, and half teaspoon fennel seeds, and you would add a pinch of either a pinch of this thing choti ilaichi powder, which is cardamom, the small cardamom, or you would take 1 cardamom. Yeah, so you would add that, and you would add 2 pinches of dalchini cinnamon powder, or you would add just this much stick of this thing cinnamon, and you would just crush it and add it. Yeah, and you would cook it on low flame, and once it is reduced from 1.5 glass of water to 1 glass of water, you would sieve it and you would drink it empty stomach at least 30 minutes before your meals. Also, when you go out, you would need to do a couple of things. You need to oil your nose. So how to oil your nose? Best cold pressed oil combination that you can use is sesame seed, mustard oil and almond oil, all cold pressed combination. We at Priyanya's Health Mantra, we provide this combination as well. And or if you, let's say you have our cold pressed almond oil, or if you have our cold pressed mustard oil, you can put that as well. So how to oil your nose? So you need to lie flat. Yes, you need to lie flat on the bed, and you would put like 1 drop. So for children, 1 drop in each nostril, and for adults 2 drops in each nostril. You would keep lying in the horizontal position for like 10 minutes, and after that you're done. So this you would do every time when you go out. Second thing what you would do is that when you come from outside, you're going to clean your nose. Yeah, very important to clean your nose. You're going to gargle using salt water and triphala, a pinch of triphala and sendha namak, in little hotter than lukewarm water. You're going to gargle using that, and you would have this thing black pepper and jaggery. So how much black pepper? So let's say for an adult 6 black pepper and jaggery, and for children around 2 to 3 black peppers and jaggery. Yes. If little children cannot have black pepper, then at least jaggery with warm water. This is what you need to do when you come from outside. In diet, you would add a lot of home cooked food. You will eat fresh, and you would eat easy to digest food. You need to keep your liver strong. Yes, and make sure that you do not get constipated, because then toxin excretion from the toxin elimination from the body would not happen. Couple of pranayams that would help. One is Parshuram pranayam, and second one is Anulom Vilom pranayam. So Parshuram pranayam, how we do is, you need to first of all, so I would just guide you how to do Parshuram pranayam. So you would breathe in. First of all, you would breathe in, and when you breathe in, you're going to fill air in your stomach. Okay, so this is how you would breathe in. When you breathe, keep your palm on your belly button and feel that air is filling in your tummy. Okay, yeah, so it would be little protruded, yes, with air. And then you would hold on to the breath. You would slowly release the breath to your diaphragm. You would take it to your diaphragm. So you just take your tummy in, so the air would shift towards the diaphragm area. All the organs in the diaphragm area, lungs and heart primarily, they get cleansed by this. So so basically it reaches, the air reaches every part of your lungs, yes, and then your lungs would be, so your diaphragm would have the air, okay. You would hold on to the air here, and then as long as you can, and then you would release it using your nostrils. How you would release? And then in the end, so both from your nostrils and then from your mouth without breathing in, okay. Again I would repeat, you would breathe in, fill your tummy with air, you would shift it to your diaphragm area, and then you would release it. So this is how you're going to do the Parshuram pranayam. Best way is that you do it either in a Padmasana or Sukhasana. If you can't do, then if you cannot, let's say, sit in a Padmasana or a Sukhasana, you can do it by sitting on a chair as well, just that your spinal cord has to be straight. Yes, your back has to be straight. So do this, practice Parshuram pranayam 5 minutes every day, and then after that you would do Anulom Vilom pranayam. Anulom Vilom pranayam is to be done like this. You would fold these two fingers. Start breathing in from the left nostril. Close the left nostril, hold on to the breath, and exhale from the right nostril. Exhalation, so exhaling should be double the time taken for inhaling. So let's say you inhaled for 3 seconds, then exhaling should be 6 seconds, okay. So purpose is that we need to throw out the toxins, we need to eliminate the toxins from the body. That's what we are doing, yes. So then would be your Omkar. You would do Omkar. How you would do Omkar? So you would do like so as long as you can hold on. So like for example, I do it for like good as in I can do it for 2 minutes. So it's like by practice you can increase the time taken for Omkar, yes. So practice Omkar for 25 times, and the minimum 25 times, maximum there is no upper limit. And then you can do your Bhramari pranayam, yes, this one, yeah, and then after that you are done. Then other pranayams or other asanas that you want to do. Every day, every morning you would do this, and every evening you would do Parshuram pranayam, Anulom Vilom pranayam, and Omkar, yes. What this would do is that this would help in elimination of the toxins that we have we have in our body, in our channels, and also it helps us clearing out the negativity, and it helps us in releasing the stress, yes, and you would see magical results. So start practicing these, and yes, this the pollution woes can be lessened a little, at least by 50% if you practice these, yes. So and couple of products from Priyanya's Health Mantra which are very effective. So for protecting your skin, you would use our post makeup spray. This is very good in protecting your skin from the pollution woes. I explained it in other video of mine. Then you would use it helps us in protecting our eyes from screen time exposure as well. So it's like yeah, so these products, and then Panchkoot is an excellent product that would help in treating issues related to your throat infection and all, which you get from due to the pollution and pollution in the air, and our oil blend for your nostrils, our cold pressed oils for massage on the body. So the sesame seed oil massage and cold pressed mustard oil massage is very good for this weather and for combating against pollution. So that's it. Thank you very much for listening to me, and I wish that all of you get to spend a very healthy Diwali, and all of you stay healthy and stay disease free and stay natural. That is very important. Yeah, thank you very much. Bye bye.